Paano nyo nahahandle yung mga negative na and positive also na feedback sa mga customers?
Actually, very fortunate kami na wala pa naman kami nakukuhang negative
Wow,
feedback.
that's nice.
Although meron pala kaming competitor na matagal na dito sa ganitong klaseng product. Nalaman lang kasi namin siya months after we release our products. Okay, when it comes to positive feedbacks man, very happy kami and grateful na tuloy-tuloy yung maraming positive feedbacks na nakukuha. Mine-maintain lang namin yon from before and up to now. Very fortunate kami na meron kaming, for example, may mga vlogger friends kami nakukuha na natatry and na nabibigyan kami ng reviews. Okay, kung hindi, ang problema lang kasi nowadays is nako-compare kami. Yung, akala namin si ano to, ay hindi pala. Yun lang yung, sige, pwede na rin natin sabihin negative feedback. Pero happy kami na more on positive feedback from before and now.